What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to talk about Baby Doge because we have a huge opportunity here with Baby Doge to just pick up a lot of momentum with this bottom. So hopefully we reach the bottom soon, but we're going to talk about when that bottom could be. And we're pretty much just going to do some technicals for today. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. And I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. But let's go over this now. So let's talk about Baby Doge. So the first thing that I noticed here with Baby Doge, we are actually almost about to hit our support down here. And that's all the way down at about 1250. So you're about to see Baby Doge hit that 1250 support really soon. So once we do hit that support, this is where the momentum that I was talking about starts to build up. So if we hit 1250, not even really if but when, because it's almost confirmed that we're going to hit it. But anyways, when we hit 1250, you're probably going to see it almost immediately try to bounce back up. But from there, that's where this kind of gets tricky because the whole overall crypto market is kind of going down right now. And Bitcoin is still projected to hit $26,000. Bitcoin just now broke its support. Now it's trying to get up here. Like I said over here, it was trying to get to the support. Baby Doge trying to get to that support. Bitcoin also hitting its support here. Now it's retesting that resistance. See, Baby Doge is going to do something similar. We're going to hit that support, and then we're going to retest that resistance that we have all the way up here. So this resistance is pretty much around 1400. I'll say from 1420 all the way up here to about 1450. We have resistance for Baby Doge. And remember, the red areas pretty much show supply and demand of less demand. And whenever we have these green areas, it pretty much shows supply and demand of more demand. So pretty much what we're seeing here with Baby Doge, we're literally almost about to hit the support we need to, because that's where that momentum is going to be coming from. So I'm definitely waiting on that. And that's pretty much for the 15M chart right there. And then for the 4-hour chart, we still have the long-term projections here at Baby Doge. So when you look at it from a long-term point of view, we still have that potential to pull back further. But the reason why I'm talking about 1250 is because pretty much when we hit 1250, we're almost for sure going to be able to try to retrace back up. But see, we could get rejected very easily and we could go back down. That's why you got to look at it from a long-term point of view. That's why you got to look at the 4-hour chart, because even if we hit 1250 and then try to rise from there, we're still going to probably do another pullback if the whole overall crypto market's red, if we're still having these talks about recessions, if we're still having all this inflation, if the gas is still $5 a gallon, we're still going to have all of these problems and we're probably still going to continue to go down. So pretty much what I'm saying here is what we're showing here on the 15M chart. I think this might be a bull trap because it is pretty much preparing for an uptrend. Like when it hits that support, it more than likely will do an uptrend, but I think that it might just be a bull trap for another downtrend. So yeah, that's definitely not what people want to hear. But hey, I got to tell you exactly what I feel is about to happen. Is it the truth? Is it not? I don't know. It's the truth that I think, but I don't know. Maybe it's not the truth. Maybe we just continue to rise, and we just break out and do crazy numbers with Baby Doge. But right now, I think that the potential is still there, but the potential for a bull trap is still high as well. But anyways, over here for the 4-hour chart is still showing that in the last 24 hours, we're bullish by 60%. Even though we have all this selling, we still have a bullish movement that could possibly happen, still bullish by 60%. Now, over here with Bitcoin, you're seeing Bitcoin did bounce off of that 28K support, but immediately it went straight back up to 29.1K. And I think that Bitcoin has the potential to, go up higher, but like I said, it still could be a bull trap. I'm still waiting for that 26K. I really do feel like we're about to bounce off that support one more time. I mean, every time I look at these charts, it looks the same all the time. And look, we're getting so close to bouncing off this support again. Typically, we bounce off the supports about 3 times before we take off again. And look, this is the first time it bounced off that support. It didn't really hit the support here, but let's just say the second time. And then this is the third time. And I really do believe like we may go all the way down here about 26K, but then you probably will see Bitcoin, rising back up to 34K. That's where our next like major resistance is. And then down here, our next major support is at 26K Bitcoin. Now looking at Baby Doge, you see our next major support will be around 1250. And then you will also have some, well, I don't want to say too major, but it's still pretty good support around 1250. And then we have really good support here around 99. And then down here, we also have that bottom where we hit with the baby Doge is at 9Z754. If you actually look back, we actually had support around 754 way back here in October. So there was actually some very good support for baby Doge way back here. So that is around the 5th of October. That's literally at the same exact amount. We actually had some really good resistance, and it did not want to get above it, but then it finally got above it, and it really only took a couple of days. Well, it looks like it took about a week, actually. Yeah, it took about a week to break past that resistance. So in terms, you can kind of say that that's definitely going to be another point of support for us. We actually hit the support again right over here. So that could be where the bottom truly is. Maybe these significant supports in supply and demand areas of high demand and heavy demand is like true, but I think that we could also maybe even go back down to the 7 area. If we do, that's good. I want to see it go down to the 7. I want to see it go back down to 9Z7 so I can buy some more. But most likely, we're probably only going to go down a little bit more, hit the support, and then go back up on that uptrend. So that's pretty much what we're seeing for the technicals with Baby Doge. But anyways, we're down 5% for the last 24 hours. Well, 4.7% now. But overall, the whole crypto market is pretty much down. And you see over here, there is now a forum live for Baby Doge. So if you want to go ahead and join that forum, you can. This is the forum here. Is definitely needed for the Baby Doge army. I think the Telegram works really good, but I mean, it's better to have a whole forum for Baby Doge. So then you can have different categories, so that you don't just see a bunch of people posting memes all day long, because that's pretty much what people do on the Baby Doge Telegram. But still, that's cool too. But we need an area for all of that. So this is definitely pretty good for the community. And also over here, you can see Baby Doge is now, well, not now, but it's been number one on the Binance Smart Chain for holders. So that's pretty huge. So most held tokens in BNB chain. Well, most held metaverse tokens in BNB chain. And I think they could just take off the metaverse, because I think we are the most held token, like overall, like without the metaverse. So yeah, this is definitely huge for Baby Doge. So I want to see more of this. And also, if you have not voted it already, definitely go ahead and vote. And this is pretty big, like 50 quadrillion burn. If we could get that done, like that's going to help us out a lot. So definitely go ahead and vote. One thing I will say about the voting website, one thing I did not like is that you got to connect your wallet to it to vote. But I don't know nothing about snapshot.org, but I don't think that I mean, it's a legit website, but I just don't like connecting my wallet to any website. But what I would recommend for you to do this, if you're going to vote, take a wallet that you really don't use and then connect it to the website. That's what I do whenever I just will have to connect my wallet to a website for some reason. I'll just take a random wallet and then connect it. So I think that would be best, instead of taking your wallet that has a bunch of Baby Doge, because let's say snapshot.org gets hacked, then guess what? Now you'll lose some money. But anyways, it's definitely good that we're getting this burn. Hopefully it goes through. 50 quadrillion is huge for us. But anyways, that's pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely hit that like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. So if you want me to go over something, become a member of the channel and I'll go over that for you. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.